This is going to be a video tutorial on how to remove activity that you have been tagged in on Facebook. I will be using the Google Chrome web browser on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser opened up and I am logged into Facebook. The first thing that I'm going to do is bring up all the activity that I have been tagged in on Facebook. The way to do that, I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to my profile icon, and I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy, and I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Activity Log, and I'm going to click on that. Now in the pane, off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Activity You're Tagged In. It'll take it a couple of seconds, and then if you scroll down the center pane here, you'll see everything that you have been tagged in. You want to find the post that you want to remove the tag on. Say I wanted to remove the tag on this very first post up here. I'm going to go over to the three-dot hamburger menu off to the right-hand side. I'm going to click on that. And then it will give me two options, remove tag or report tag. If you remove the tag, it removes your name from the post. If you report the tag, if it's abusive or inappropriate, Facebook will take a look at the post and they may remove the entire post altogether. Your third option would be to contact the person that posted it and ask them to remove it. But if you're simply wanting to remove your name from a post, you would click on Remove Tag. Thanks for watching.